Welcome to G Fun Facts Online, your go-to source for the most exciting breakthroughs in science and technology. Today, we're diving into a topic that sounds like science fiction, but is rapidly becoming reality. How tiny gadgets we wear on our bodies are completely changing the game for people with neurological disorders. Imagine a world where conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and epilepsy can be monitored and managed with unprecedented precision, all thanks to wearable sensor technology. We're talking about a huge leap from relying solely on occasional doctor visits to having a continuous stream of real-world health data, empowering patients and caregivers like never before. This field, known as digital neurobiomarkers, is absolutely exploding. Get this, its market value was estimated at nearly $539 million in 2023, and it's projected to skyrocket to over $4.5 billion by 2032. That's nearly a tenfold increase. What's fueling this incredible growth? Well, it's a combination of the increasing number of people affected by neurological conditions, amazing advancements in wearable tech itself, and the powerful integration of artificial intelligence, or AI. So what can these wearables actually do? Let's look at some key developments. First up is early detection and monitoring. Smartwatches and other biosensors can now keep an eye on brain activity, sleep patterns, and movement in real time. For instance, some smartwatches are clever enough to detect early signs of Parkinson's disease by monitoring tremors and subtle changes in movement. For individuals with epilepsy, specialized smartwatches can detect seizures by tracking physiological data like heart rate and skin conductance, and then instantly send alerts to caregivers. This is life-changing stuff. Then there's personalized treatment. The constant flow of data from wearables allows doctors to make dynamic adjustments to treatment plans. No more waiting for the next appointment to see if something is working. AI-powered platforms can analyze this data to provide real-time biomarkers of neurological health and even predict when symptoms might flare up, leading to far more personalized and effective treatment suggestions. Rehabilitation is another area seeing massive benefits. Wearable devices are helping stroke survivors recover motor skills through interactive exercises and by tracking their progress. There are even AI-driven robotic hands that have shown remarkable effectiveness in improving motor function in patients who've had a stroke long ago. And what about diagnostics? AI algorithms are crunching data from wearables to help with the early diagnosis and monitoring of motor symptoms in conditions like Parkinson's. Scientists are also developing computer vision systems that can analyze gait impairment in Parkinson's patients with much greater sensitivity than traditional methods. Imagine a camera system understanding how someone walks to help diagnose a condition. Remote patient monitoring is also a huge win, especially for conditions like epilepsy or cognitive impairments. Wearables allow for continuous tracking of a patient's well-being and can facilitate healthcare delivery even when frequent clinic visits are difficult. This is incredibly valuable for people living in remote areas or those with mobility issues. The range of sensors being explored is also expanding. We're not just talking about step counters anymore. Researchers are working with inertial sensors, electromyography or EMG, to measure muscle activity, electroencephalography or EEG to measure brain waves, and even sensors that analyze eye movements to assess brain disorders. These can pick up on incredibly subtle changes that might indicate the onset or progression of a neurological condition. Let's talk about some recent innovations, because this field is moving fast. In 2023, Apple rolled out a feature for its Apple Watch designed to detect early signs of Parkinson's by monitoring those telltale tremors and movements. Then, in January 2024, IBM Watson Health's AI-powered digital biomarker platform received FDA approval for the continuous analysis of data from wearable devices, a major step forward. We're also seeing exciting collaborations, like the partnership between Indivi and Biogen announced in March 2024, aiming to advance digital health technologies and create digital biomarkers for Parkinson's using smartphone-based platforms. And back in January 2023, Cambridge Cognition acquired a company called Winterlight to boost its capabilities in detecting cognitive decline through the analysis of spontaneous speech. Yes, how you talk could soon help diagnose brain health. Now, despite all this amazing progress, there are challenges. We need standardization in how data is collected and analyzed. Ensuring data privacy is paramount, and navigating the regulatory approvals for these new digital biomarker-based tools can be complex. Plus, the ethical implications of collecting and using so much personal health data need careful consideration. But the future for digital biomarkers from wearable sensors in neurology is incredibly promising. Researchers are not just thinking about monitoring health, they're working on wearables that could also deliver therapeutic interventions, like automatically dispensing medication or providing neuromodulation in response to detected symptoms. Imagine a device that not only detects a problem but helps treat it on the spot. The real holy grail might be the integration of multimodal data, combining sensor data with clinical records, imaging scans, and even genetic information. This holistic approach could completely revolutionize personalized medicine for neurological disorders. Continued innovation in AI, sensor technology, and data analytics will be the keys to unlocking the full, transformative potential of these amazing tools. It's a truly exciting time, with technology offering new hope and improved quality of life for millions. Thanks for tuning in to G Fun Facts Online. Stay curious and keep an eye on how these incredible advancements continue to unfold.